A very fresh good morning to all. This is your science teacher Nazish and welcome back to your science class with me. Well, this is sixth session of chapter number 6, that is acids, bases and salts. Till now in this chapter we have discussed about what are acids, properties and uses of acids, what are bases, properties and uses of bases, indicators, and effect of acidic or basic medium on indicators. Indicators give different colors in acidic or basic medium, and this helps us to differentiate between acids and bases using indicators. Well, in today's video we will discuss about neutralization. What is neutralization? When an acid is added to a base in right proportion, they cancel the effect of each other. That is, the acidic nature of an acid and the basic nature of a base is lost or destroyed, and the resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. Such a solution is called neutral solution, and the chemical reaction between an acid and a base is called neutralization reaction. Let's understand the concept of neutralization more clearly with the help of an activity. For that, we need some test tubes, droppers, dilute hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide solution, and phenolphthalein indicator. Now, with all the required materials available, let's begin the activity. Let us add some sodium hydroxide solution, which is basic in nature, to the test tube. To the solution, then add few drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Now, see if the color of mixture changes. You will notice that the solution turns pink in color. This shows that the solution in the test tube is basic, as phenolphthalein gives pink color in basic medium. Next, fill the dropper with dilute hydrochloric acid and put the acid to the test tube drop by drop. You will notice that at some stage the solution suddenly becomes colorless, and this is because at this stage hydrochloric acid has completely neutralized the effect of sodium hydroxide, which is a base. Hence, when an acid and a base are mixed together in a right proportion, they neutralize the effect of each other, and the resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. It is a neutral solution. Hence, the reaction between an acid and a base to produce neutral substances is called neutralization reaction. Here, the neutralization reaction between hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide can be written as hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, plus sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, gives sodium chloride, that is NaCl, which is a salt, and water, that is H2O. So, when hydrochloric acid is added to sodium hydroxide, it gives water and sodium chloride, which is a salt, and the chemical equation can be written as shown on the screen. Now, let's find out if there is any other change took place during the reaction. Touch the test tube after the solution get neutralized. You will notice that the test tube is quite hot. This is because heat is evolved when an acid reacts with the base during neutralization reaction. Hence, heat and salt are produced during neutralization reaction. In a nutshell, I can say neutralization reaction is a reaction between an acid and a base. In neutralization reaction, heat is evolved out. In this type of reaction, salt and water are produced. Few examples of neutralization reaction are as shown on your screen. Finally, let's wind up today's session with your home assignment. There are two questions. First, define neutralization reaction. Second, complete the following reaction. These two questions you have to do in your fair notebook.